YouTubers. You can see I'm doing some fried chicken, French fried chicken. Yeah, my grandson's birthday, 16th birthday. So I'm doing some fried chicken, doing some seed from scratch. You can see the chicken there. You can see the chicken there. Yes.
Yep.
Can you see it?
Hold on.
I'm doing it up, flouring it. You can see good, delicious fried chicken, Aunty Clair fried chicken. Look at it, look at that. Look at it, look at it over there. Wow, delicious. You see, delicious. And you can see it in there. And I'm doing some. Yeah. And this is some goated soup. You can see the goated soup. Curry goat. Curry goat. You can see. So I want you to like. This is the rice and peas. Look at it. Look at it. Beautiful. You can see beautiful rice and peas. Shelly rice and peas. Look at it. Look at it. Shelly rice and peas. This is Aunty Clair way of cooking it. So just like, subscribe to the channel. Down the bottom. Leave a comment. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Tell a friend to tell a friend. This is the way Aunty Clair do her thing. So just like up the channel. Don't forget to touch and subscribe. Subscribe to it. Okay? This is the way. Look at it. Curry goat, rice and peas, goated soup, fried chicken. Look. This is the goat. This is the curry goat. Curry goat. So just like, and I'm doing up the chicken same way. You can see marinated all long. So I'm just flouring it now. This is the way I do it. I seasoned my good chicken a couple of days ago. So it's well seasoned. Well seasoned. So just like, share and subscribe. Don't forget to touch the notice button. Comment down the bottom. So like up the channel. And this is my punch. Look at it. Come over here. That's the punch that I'm making. And I'm doing some coleslaw. You can see. See, I'm doing my coleslaw. I'm doing my coleslaw.